Bohr's model of an atom. In this module, you will learn about the Bohr's model of an atom. Prior to the Bohr, there were number of scientists who were working on the structure of atom. Rutherford was one of them, and his model was the closest model to the Bohr's model of an atom. In fact, Niels Bohr had helped to overcome the problem in the Rutherford model of an atom. The Rutherford model of an atom had a major drawback that it could not explain the stability of an atom. It showed that an electron in an atom revolves around positively charged center called nucleus. However, later on, it was found that any particle in a circular motion would undergo acceleration and thus it would lose energy. So the electrons would take a spiral path and would finally fall into the nucleus and the atom would collapse, but this does not take place in reality. Bohr said that electrons do revolve around the nucleus but the energy remains fixed. He explained that an energy of electrons remain fixed but they are restricted to some fixed orbits. Each of these orbits is at the fixed distance from the nucleus and it is associated with a fixed amount of energy. These orbits with a fixed energy are known as discrete orbits or energy level. These energy levels are represented by letters K, L, M, N or in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 starting from the center. So the final model of a Niels Bohr was similar to the Rutherford model of an atom, which states that an atom consists of positively charged center around which electrons revolve. The only difference was that in a Bohr's model, electrons revolve around the nucleus in the fixed orbit with a fixed energy. For his work on structure of atom, he got Nobel Prize on 1922. Let's recap. Bohr's model of an atom suggested that an atom consists of a positively charged nucleus and the electrons revolve around it in a special orbit called discrete orbit or an energy level. The energy level of these discrete orbits remain fixed. So these energy levels are represented by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 or in letters K, L, M, N starting from the center. Niels Bohr got a Nobel Prize for his work in 1922.